Okay, so we can start with the inside. We can just figure this out like we normally would. The arc cosine of 1/2, we want to know what that's equal to, so we'll call it y, or you could call it x, or whatever letter you want. And so when you use cosine to both sides, we get a familiar equation. We need to figure out the angle to make the cosine ratio equal 1/2. Because we're dealing with arc cosine for our original function, we're only going to draw the first angle that we come to. And cosine of y to equal 1/2, that means the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse needs to equal 1/2. So if you have those special triangles memorized, we always put a 1 on the hypotenuse. And if this is going to be 1/2, that way the adjacent divided by hypotenuse works out for our cosine ratio. That means this angle corresponding to 1/2 needs to be 30 degrees. And so this needs to be 60. Right? So this is our reference angle. It's a 60-degree angle. That's always your answer angle. In other words, it's pi over 3, right? So this is sine pi over 3 because we just figured out what arc cosine of 1/2 is. And now that's just another regular trig function. Draw pi over 3, which is a 60-degree angle. We actually already have it here, right? We just need to fill out the last part so we can do the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. So the opposite divided by the hypotenuse is square root of 3 over 2.